What sets our technicians apart, it's really the quality of technicians that we have. We have about 150 internal technicians that are spread out across the country, a very robust field tech partner network of approximately 100 different companies. They're all held to the same standard, right? So we provide them with the same level of training, the same level of performance management, the same level of coaching and engagement.
To ensure that they go properly and perfectly in the field, we first have several discussions with the project team leads, parts that are going to be used, and just go over some standards for the team that's going to be installing it prior to the actual install date. Typically that leads to a successful install.
New installations get executed perfectly by proper communication before the install is even set forth. I communicate well with the PMO team and the scheduling team. I normally call my customers a week or so before to get any questions answered before going to the site. With Interface, we are fully stocked with all of the up-to-date supplies and needed parts to resolve issues on the first trip. We're able to fix the site first trip, no issues.